Ever wondered why cybersecurity is considered the new frontier? Picture this: a young woman, let's call her Jane, walks into her family's coffee shop, her face beaming with pride. She shares the news of her recent achievement, a cybersecurity certification. This isn't just a piece of paper, it's a passport to a world brimming with opportunities. Jane's father, a coffee shop owner, has always been tech-savvy. He's implemented security measures in his own business, from secure Wi-Fi networks to data protection. Intrigued by his daughter's achievement, he expresses a desire to follow in her footsteps. Jane encourages him, assuring that his knack for security can translate into a fulfilling career in cybersecurity. On another day, Jane's friend, a college professor, hears about her achievement. He has an open position in his department and sees Jane as a potential fit. Even though Jane would need to further her qualifications, he assures her of his support. This is the beauty of the cybersecurity field. It's a continuous journey of learning and growth. And so, the ripple effect begins. Jane's achievement not only paves her own path, but inspires others around her to consider a career in cybersecurity. Her father sees it as an opportunity to enhance his business, while her friend sees it as a chance to add a skilled professional to his team. This story underscores the importance of obtaining a cybersecurity certification. It's not just about securing networks or protecting data, it's about opening doors to new opportunities, inspiring others, and contributing to a safer digital world. To summarize, a cybersecurity certification serves as a stepping stone into a vast and growing field. It requires continuous learning and growth, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Whether you're seeking to enhance your business like Jane's father, or looking to contribute to a safer digital world like Jane, a certification can help you achieve your goals. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, every step counts. So, make your move today and step into the future.